Welcome to another video in which we are going to learn about how to comment code in HTML. Now guys, the comment tag is used to insert the comments in the source code. Now the comments are not displayed in the browsers. So basically we are going to provide the comments in our HTML source code over here in the VS Code, but the same thing will not be displayed when we are going to see our web pages in the browser. So guys, basically what is the functionality of the comment? Now you can use the comments to explain your code, which can help you when you edit the source code at a later date. So basically you can provide certain comments in order to explain what kind of code you have written so that you can edit it at a later stage. Now this is especially useful if you have a lot of code over here. Another functionality of having the comments is to make someone else understand what you have written in the code for the review purpose as well. So whenever you are going to write the HTML code, it will be reviewed by your seniors. So in order to make them understand what the HTML code section is doing, you can provide the comments in order to explain its functionality. So guys, over here as you can see, this is the example. So this is a comment and the comments are not displayed in the browser. So you can see this entire statement being enclosed in between the comment tags. Over here we have the less than sign, and then we have the exclamation mark, and then followed by 2 times hyphen over here. So this is the starting tag, and then we have the ending tag over here as the 2 times hyphen, and then we have the greater than sign. So guys, basically whatever content is present in between these starting and the ending comment tags, those will be commented out and will not be displayed on the browser. So guys, let us check this with the help of example now over here. So let's say we add another paragraph in between these 2 paragraphs over here, that this text is small in this paragraph, and then we have this text is marked in this paragraph. Now we will have another paragraph in between them. Using the p tag, we will say this statement needs to be commented. So we have simply provided this simple statement. This statement needs to be commented in between the p tag, which means it is a paragraph. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page over here. So as you can see, we have this paragraph. This statement needs to be commented. Now guys, what we will do is we will comment out this statement. So what we have to do is over here, before the starting p tag, we have to provide the comment tag over here. So how do we provide the comment tag? We have the less than symbol followed by exclamation mark, and then we have 2 times hyphen over here, and then as you can see, automatically we have the ending comment tag as well, that is 2 times hyphen and then followed by the greater than symbol. So we just need to cut this and paste it after the ending tag of this p tag over here. As you can see, for now we have the starting comment tag, and all the HTML code after this is being displayed in the green color, which means these text will be commented out. But we need to provide the ending comment tag over here after this particular statement. So we need to provide the ending comment tag over here. So as we provide the ending tag over here, you can see only this p tag is being displayed in the green color. So guys, let me just save this file now and let us see what happens now after reloading this page. So as you can see, the statement that we had written is now commented out, and that is why we cannot see that statement over here on the browser. So guys, this is the functionality of the comment tags over here. We can simply provide certain explanation as well in between the comment tags in order to explain the functionality of the HTML code that we have written. Now guys, in the browser you can see where the comments are by viewing the page source of the HTML code. So over here we can simply right click and choose the inspect option. So as you can see, under the elements tag over here, we can see this p tag that is present, and then we also have the comment tags over here, which depicts that this particular HTML code is commented out. Now guys, we can also see the page source. So when we right click and select the view page source option, as you can see on the new tab, we are seeing the page source. So over here we have the comments that this statement needs to be commented, and it is commented out. Though we are not able to see it on the browser, but we can see on the page source of that HTML. So guys, comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is div tag in HTML to group content. So stay tuned.